Hello dear students, welcome back to Royson Creations YouTube channel. In this class, let us analyze Mathematics Preparatory Examination question paper with answer. Because I have explained many times in Kannada medium, so you have send me the message, ma'am please you explain in English medium. So that I have started with English medium. Those who are watching first time, please subscribe and share with your friends. And I have done many videos about maths and science and all 10th standard subjects. So that link also I have given in the description box. It may be useful for you also. And please share with your friends. So SSLC Preparatory Examination 2023 Maths subject. So subject code you know very well, 81E. So times 3 hours 15 minutes and total marks 80 marks and number of question is 38. So first main 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete along with its letter of alphabets. So in the first main they are given 8 questions. The first question is, if A and B are two positive integers, then HCF of A comma B and LCM A comma B is equal to. So the answer is A into B. So option C is the answer. Second question, the distance of the point P of X comma Y from the origin. So to find the origin, the distance between the point P of X comma Y to origin is, that is square root of X square plus Y square. That is the formula. So option A is the answer. Third question, sin 65 degree is equal to cos 65, root 3 by 2, cos 25, 1 by 2. Actually, so sin 65 you can write it as a sin of 90 minus 25 degree. So it will become cos 25 degree. So the option is cos 25 degree is the answer. Fourth question, the base radius and height of the right circular cylinder and right circular cone are equal, and if the volume of the cylinder is 360 centimeter cube, then the volume of the cone is, so you use the volume of the cone formula, so you will get the answer, that is 120 cm cube. Fifth question, if the pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are intersecting lines, then the correct relation among the following is. So if the lines are intersecting, means that should be a1 by a2 doesn't equal to b1 by b2. Therefore option D is the answer, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Sixth question, if p of a is equal to 2 by 3, then p of a is what? So p of a is equal to 1 by 3 agutte. Seventh question, in a circle the angle between the tangent and the radius at the point of contact is that is 90 degree. Always when the tangent will form, so there it will get a 90 degree. So option B is the answer. Eighth question, if x comma 5 comma 12 comma y are in arithmetic progression, the value of x and y are respectively is equal to 7 and 17, 2 and 19, minus 2 and 19 and minus 3 and 17. So easy to calculate. So 12 minus 5, how much children? You are going to get a 7. So that means the common difference D should be a 7 means. So here this will become minus 2 and here next term will be 19. So the option C, minus 2 and 19 is the answer. Next, second main, answer the following question. Here also 8 questions. Each question carry 1 marks. Ninth question, write 96 as the product of prime factors. So it's very easy to write. So yav riti baritira andre 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 to the power of 5 into 3. 10th question, find the 10th term of the sequence an is equal to 2n minus 5. So in the place of n you substitute 10. So 10 to the 20. 20 minus 5, 15. So the answer will become 15. 11th question, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 4, 7. So they are asking coordinate of the midpoint. So for midpoint formula we have x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 2 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2 agutte. So 6 by 2 andre is nothing but 3 aitu. So 10 by 2 andre 5 aitu. So 3, 5 is the answer. 12th question, Find the value of tan 45 degree minus cot 45 degree. So tan 45 degree also 1, cot 45 degree also 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. 13th question, write the degree of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4 to the 4x cube plus 5x square minus 6x plus 8. So they are asking degree of the polynomial. Here the highest degree is cube. So the answer is 3. 14th question, write the formula to calculate the curved surface area of the frustum of a cone. So to calculate the area of frustum of a cone, that is pi of r1 plus r2 into L. 15th question, state proportionality theorem, that means Thales theorem. You have to write the statement. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. 16th question, write the formula to find the area of a sector of a circle if an angle at the center is a theta degree. Therefore, the area of a sector of a circle is equal to theta by 360 into 5r square. So, these questions are one word answer questions, children. So, the next we'll start with the 2 marks questions. It's important questions. So, third main answer the following question. 17. Find the term of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic progression 2, 5, 8 by using formula. So they are asking the sum of the first 12 terms. So that means we have to calculate Sn. So what they have given, write it, children. The first term a will become 2. Common difference will 3. How? Second terms minus first term. So 5 minus 2 will become 3. Same 8 minus 5 will also become 3. So the answer D is equal to 3. So they asked first 12 term. That means n will become 12. So calculate S12. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute all the value in the given formula. So then it will become 12 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 into 2 2s are 4 plus 11 into 3 33 ಆಯಿತು. So 6 into 4 plus 33 it becomes 37. 37 into 6 222. So these questions are very important, children. They will ask sum of the terms and find the 10th term, 20th term. So there also you have to use a different formula, and these questions are important. So practice. 18th question, prove that root 3 minus 2 is an irrational number. So first, if possible, let us assume. So we have to assume root 3 minus 2 is a rational number. So root 3 minus 2 will become p by q, where p and q both also belongs to z, but q not equal to 0. So therefore what happened? Root 3 is equal to p by q plus 2. So root 3 is equal to, take LCM, so then it will become p plus 2q divided by q. So therefore root 3 is a rational number. At the same time, p plus 2q by q is also a rational number. But root 3 is not a rational number. We know because because root 3 is a not ended terms. So therefore our suspension root 3 minus 2 is not a rational number. It is wrong. Root 3 minus 2 is a irrational number. So you have to prove like this all these types of questions, children. 19th question, solve x minus 2y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 6. So here they asked only solve. So you can use any method and you can go with that. So here I have taken elimination method. So here you take the two formula, the two equation, that is x minus 2y is equal to 2, that is this equation 1, and x plus 2y is equal to 6, that is equation 2. So add these two, so you will get 2xy plus 2xy get cancelled, so you will get 2x is equal to 8, so x is equal to 4. So you got the value of x. Substitute the value of x in the equation 1 or equation 2, so you are going to get the y value, so that is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. 30th question, solve by using the quadratic formula x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Very important, this question will comes to your final exam also. So a value given 1, b value also 1, c value minus 2. So you know the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So substitute all the value in the given equation, in the given formula. So minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 divided by 2 into 1. So then it will become minus 1 plus or minus. So 4 2s are 8 agutte, plus into minus plus. So therefore square root of 1 plus 8, that will become 9. So 9 you can easily take, because 3 3s are 9 agutte. Hagagi minus 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. So minus 3 1. So here plus or minus is there, that means 2 times you should minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2, or minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So if it is you are taking, x value will become 1 and x value will become minus 2. So like that you are going to find the solution by using quadratic formula. For this question you have a choice, that means find the nature of the root of the quadratic equation. So you should find the quadratic equations nature of the roots given the question. So a value 2, b value minus 3, c value 5. So to find the nature of the root, we have a formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b value minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So 9 minus 40, it will become minus 31, that is less than 0. Therefore there is no real roots. 21st question, find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. So how we have to find the zeros of the polynomial? Take the equation, but we have to calculate with the factorization method. So multiply madidre 12 barbeku, add madidre 7 barbeku. So x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. So x is common, so the remaining is x plus 4. Here 3 if you are taken outside, so the remaining is x plus 4. So here x plus 4 common, so remaining is x plus 3. So x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 3. Therefore the zeros of x square plus 7x plus 12 are minus 4 and minus 3. 22nd question, draw two tangents from the points 9 cm away from the center of the circle of radius 4 cm. So please children, you have to concentrate on construction. It's very important. These questions will come to the exam. 23rd question, in the given figure, DE parallel to AB and AD equal to 6 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm and BC is equal to 15 cm, then find BE. Okay, so here they have given DC and AB they have given, and BC also they have given. So we have to find B. So here we have to use the corollary of the BPT. Okay, na basic proportionality theorem. So in the given picture they have given DE parallel to AB. Therefore AD by AC is equal to BE by BC because of the corollary of BPT. Therefore 6 by 10 is equal to BE by 15. So BE is equals to 15 into 6 divided by 10. Therefore the answer is 9 cm. Therefore the value of BE is 9 cm. So in this question also they have given option. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas are 64 cm square and 100 square centimeter square respectively. If EF is equals to 12 cm, then find the measure of BC. So here you have to use the area of similar triangle theorem. You know the theorem, that is triangle ABC by triangle DEF is equal to BC square divided by EF square. So substitute all the values. So they have given the area of the two triangles. So 64 by 100 is equal to BC square by 12 square. So 64 by 100 is equal to BC square. 12 12s are 144 agutte. So you have to write like that. So therefore BC square is equal to 64 into 44 divided by 100. So now BC is now take the square root this side. So therefore it will become BC is equal to square root of 64 into 144 divided by 100. So 64 you can write it as 8, 12 and 10. So 8 into 12 into 10, therefore 96 by 10. The answer is 9.6 centimeter. Therefore the measurement of the BC is 9.6 centimeter. 24th question, there are 500 wrist watches in a box. Out of these 50 wrist watches are found defective. One watch is drawn randomly from the box. Find the probability that wrist watch chosen is a defective watch. So Read the question, children. The wristwatch. There are totally 500 wristwatches there. So in that 50 wristwatches are defective. Okay na? So randomly when they have took one watch in the box, that will become a defective one only. So find the probability that wristwatch chosen in a defective watch. So therefore write number of sampling, that is 500. So number of watch defective is A is 50. Therefore P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. Therefore 50 divided by 500. So 1 by 10. So fourth main, answer the following questions. Here 3 marks questions, and each questions carry 3 marks and 9 questions will be there. Fifth question, find the arithmetic progression whose third term is 16 and its seventh term exceeds the fifth terms by 12. So they have given children the third term is 16, that means A3 is equal to 16, and the seventh terms exceed the fifth terms by 12. That means first you take A7 is equal to what happen, A5 plus 12 agate. So therefore A5 is nothing but what, A plus 4D. A7 is nothing but A plus 6D. Therefore A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. So here what happens, AA will get cancelled. So 6D is equal to 4D plus 12. So 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 by 2. Then it will become 6. So we got the value of D. So already we have A3 is equal to 16. So A plus 2D is equal to 16. So A plus 2 of 6 is equal to 16. So A plus 12 is equal to 16. So A is equal to 16 minus 12, 4 agate. So like that you have to find first term and common difference. So if you know first term and common difference, so easily you can write the arithmetic progression, that is 4, 10, 16, 22. So in this question option is there. The sum of 3 consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression is 18 and their product is 162. Find the 3 numbers. So in this question they are given 3 consecutive terms is 18 and the product is 162. So find the terms, 3 terms, and find out what, because so we have to find out A and D, then you can find out the arithmetic progression. So the 3 consecutive numbers are A minus D, A plus D. So A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 18. So DD get cancelled. So 3A is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 by 3, 6. So we got the value 6. A value. So the product will 162. So A minus D into A plus D is equal to 162. So therefore these two will become in the form of A square minus B square. So A square minus D square into A is equal to 162. So A value na substitute ಮಾಡಿ 6. So after substituting 6 square minus D square into 6 is equal to 162. So 36 minus 6 square is equal to 162 divided by 6. So after cancellation you are going to get 27. So 36 minus D square is equal to 27. So D square is equal to 36 minus 27 will become 9. So D is equal to plus or minus 3. So now we got A value, B value. So write arithmetic progression 3, 6, 9 or 9, 6, 3. Okay. Next 26th question. Construct a triangle with sides 6 cm, 7 cm and 8 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the constructed triangle. So children, this is very important. Please you learn the diagram, because 100% these types of questions they'll ask in preparatory and in final exam also. So if you want to score mark, you have to learn the construction, especially those who are below average student. You have to concentrate construction theorems. Okay. The next question is, find the area of triangle PQR with vertices P of 0, 4, Q of 3, 0 and R 3 of 3, 5. So write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So you know the formula to find the area of triangle, that is A is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y1 plus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So substitute all the value in the given formula. So we are going to get half into 0 into minus 5 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 4. So after multiplying you will get 15. So 1 by 2 into 15, that will become 7.5. Therefore the area of triangle PQR is equal to 7.5 square units. So in this question also they have given the option, find the perimeter of a triangle whose vertices have the coordinates 3, 10, 5, 2 and 14, 12. So they have given the three coordinates also they have given, that is A 3, 10, B 5, 2 and C 14, 12. So first you have to find the perimeter of a triangle, right? So perimeter of a triangle means we should find the distance between the two coordinates. So D is equal to square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute the value A and B. So that means square root of 5 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 10 whole square. Therefore it will become root 68. So next BC find out ಮಾಡಿ root 81 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, CA find out ಮಾಡಿ 125 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore the perimeter of a triangle is square root of 68 plus square root of 181 plus square root of 125 units. Okay. 28th question, prove that tan square A minus sin square A is equal to tan square A into sin square A. So tan square A minus sin square A, you know how to write. Tan square A nothing but sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. So take sin square as a common. If you have taken sin square common, the remaining is 1 by cos square minus 1. So 1 by cos square A is nothing but it will become secant square A. So sin square A into secant square A minus 1. So secant square minus 1 andre it's nothing but tan square A. So sin square A into tan square A aitu. So that will become the answer. You have to prove that only. So here also option is there. If A is equals to 60 degree, B is equal to 30 degree, then verify that cos of A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So we have to prove that both also left side is equal to right side. So therefore take the left side, a cos of A plus B is equal to cos of 60 degree plus 30 degree. Cos 60 plus 30 degree how much? Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is become 0. So take this side, a cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So substitute the value cos 60 degree into sin cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Substitute the value 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So take multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So that will become root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So cancel ಆಗಿ 0 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ left hand side is equal to right hand side ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 29th question, find the mean of the following score by direct method. So we have to find the mean by using direct method. So take the table, class interval and frequency. So you have to add the frequency, that will become 15. So midpoint you should find out, that is x. How you should going to find out midpoint? The midpoint means you have to add these two and divide it by 2. The midpoint between the class interval, that means 10 is the midpoint here, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now you should multiply these two. 10 into 1 10, 23 is a 60, 5 into 30 150, 4 into 40 160, 2 into 50 100. So add everything, 480 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So mean find out ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ direct method summation of fx by divided by n. So 480 by 15 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 32 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here option will be there. You have to go with any one. Here they asked to find the mode of the grouped data. They have given the class interval and frequency. So here it's very easily you can find out which is the highest frequency, 8. So the 8 will become f1 and the lower limit frequency, that this will become f0, this will become f2. So h means the size of the class interval, that will become 10, and l is the lower limit of the given in the mode. See here 8 is the frequency, in that the lower limit of the class interval is 25. So therefore you know all the values, substitute here. So mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So 25 plus 8 minus 4 divided by 2 into 8 minus 4 minus 7 into 10. So ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಕಳೆದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 25 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 25 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 23 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ in the statistics they'll give these 2 questions. So 3 also you have to learn, children, so don't forget. Next one, 30th question. During the medical checkup, 35 students of class, their weights were recorded as follows. Draw less than type of OG for the given data. So here we have to write the less than OG. So here they have given the data. Datavanna kottidare. By seeing that easily you have to draw the OG. See children, here you can see the OG diagram. You have to draw that. See here. So I am taken in the x-axis weight, and in the y-axis I have taken number of students. Please you write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So 38, 40, 41 till 54. And here 1 to 38 I have 2 to 38. So here by seeing the weight, how many students are there you mark. So afterwards you will get the line. So this is the less than OG. So I think you understood because you have practiced many times, so I have not explained in deep, so you understand. Till now I explained 30 questions of this given question paper, and the remaining question I will explain in the next video because it will become too lengthy video, so that I am going to stop here itself. So for the more videos, please subscribe Royson Creations YouTube channel.